Hi everybody. In this problem, we're going to try to figure out how many square feet this diagram represents. Let's suppose this is a floor plan for a house and you wanted to figure out how many square feet of hardwood flooring you would need if you wanted to put hardwood flooring down. So it's kind of an irregular shape. It's not just a square or a rectangle. But I think what you can see is we can divide this up into three rectangles if I did that, right? We have rectangle 1, 2, and 3. If we could figure out the area of each one of those, length times width, we would be good. Okay, so it's kind of like a puzzle figuring out the dimensions. First of all, let's figure out what the distance is from the top to the bottom. Does everybody agree that the top to the bottom, it's 24 plus the 32, so 24 plus 32 equals 56 feet. So from here to here, it's 56 feet. I think next, let's try to figure out what that dimension is. How do we figure out that dimension? Well, we know from here to here, it's 56, right? And from here to here, it's 40. So 56 minus 40 equals 16 feet. So this is 16 feet here, right? Okay, so we have this dimension. So I think right away we can say this bottom rectangle is 16 by 40, right? I think the top rectangle we can say it's 40 by 24. Middle guy we still got to figure out, right? We still got to figure out the middle guy. So what can we say? Can we say how wide this house is? I think we can, right? From here to here, it's 24. From here to here, it's 40. So it's 24 plus 40 equals 64. So from here to here, it's 64. Now we just got to figure out this little piece here. How do we figure out that little piece? Well, let's see. We knew that the whole thing is 56, right? From top to bottom is 56. We figured out that we know from here to here it's 24, so take off that 24 from there to there, and we figured out that this was 16 from here to here, minus that 16, and that's going to just leave this little piece here from here to here that we don't have an answer for. So I think if you do this on your calculator, you get another 16. So this is also 16. The whole thing is 16 by 64, I believe, right? So what do we got to do? We got to add all these areas up. We got a 40 by 24 on the top, plus a 16 by 64 on the bottom, the middle, plus a 16 by 40 on the bottom, right? So I think that all adds up to, well, I think it comes to 960 plus 1024 plus the last guy is 640. And when I added them all up, I got 2624 feet squared. 2624, sorry. 2624 feet squared. So that's how much square feet hardwood flooring I would need if I was going to put hardwood floor down in this house. So it's kind of like a puzzle. First divide it up into some rectangles, then you got to kind of work around and figure out what the dimension of each rectangle is, and then find the area for each rectangle and then add them up at the end. So I hope that helps. And you're probably going to encounter problems like that in the course.